Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 8-inch chainsaw chain is probably one of the most vital components for anyone using a mini chainsaw, and today, we're diving deep into the world of these essential tools. We'll explore what makes a great chain, how to choose the right one for your needs, and some tips to keep your chain in top shape. Get ready to learn everything you need to know to make the best choice for your next project. Number 5. SUNGATOR 8-inch chainsaw chain. This is the SUNGATOR 8-inch chainsaw chain. It's designed for various pole saws, offering reliable cutting performance. This chain is a great choice for your needs. Make sure this chain fits your saw. It has an 8-inch length, a .050 gauge, a 3/8 LP pitch, and 33 drive links. Always verify these parameters to ensure it works with your machine. This chain is a replacement for Chicago, Earthwise, and Greenworks pole saws. It's also compatible with Cobalt models. It's a versatile option for many users. The chain is UL approved and meets ANSI standards. It features a semi-chisel design with low kickback for safety. It's made with high-quality materials for durability. Made with Germany imported steel, the chain offers high toughness and anti-fracture properties. Heat-treated rivets ensure strong connections. The cutters are plated with industrial hard chrome for wear resistance. Besides the models mentioned, this chain may fit others. If you have any questions about compatibility, please contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This chain is UL approved and meets ANSI standards, ensuring your safety during operation. It's made with durable Germany imported steel, providing high toughness and anti-fracture. If you have multiple compatible machines from brands like Greenworks or Earthwise, this chain's wide compatibility makes it a convenient choice. What people say. Pleasantly surprised how well these work cutting very hard wood. I went through 3 chains trying to cut this stuff before. Once I installed this chain, it cut through like butter. It fit my vintage, 1960s, Homelight XL12 that I got from my brother-in-law's father's estate when he died. It is scary sharp and cuts like crazy. I am very impressed with the chain and the way it worked. It was a little noisy, but I think that's due to the play in the bar groove. But it ran smoothly and true and cut like a banshee. It ran cool and did not overheat. It did not feel like it wanted to kick back. When I was done, it seemed as sharp as it was when I started cutting. Number 4. Oregon S33 8-inch pole saw chain. This is the Oregon S33 saw chain, designed for 8-inch pole saws. It meets the kickback performance requirements, ensuring safety during use. The saw chain meets the kickback performance requirement of ANSI B175. 1-2012 and CSA standard Z62.3. It's designed for safety. It features a 3/8 low profile pitch, .050 gauge, and 33 drive links. This chain is suitable for saws up to 42 cubic centimeters. The Lubritech system keeps the chain and guide bar well oiled. This reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the chain. This saw chain is designed for manual power source. It is a reliable choice for your pole saw needs. What we like. This chain features a low kickback design, enhancing safety while you work. The Lubritech system keeps the chain and guide bar oiled, reducing friction and extending their lifespan. If you are looking for a reliable chain for your small saw, up to 42 cubic centimeters, this is a great option. What people say. I have an electric pole saw from Harbor Freight that I wore out the chain on. I ordered this combo to replace it. Fit perfect and cuts like a scalded dog. Chain keep a great edge if you keep it out of the dirt on rocks. I really like Oregon products. Have used some of the off brands and learned over the years you get what you pay for. They don't hold the edge like Oregon chains. These work well and easy install on my Greenworks 8-inch pole saw. I keep several blades on hand for an electric pruning saw that cuts 5-inch thick hardwood branches with ease. Number 3. Oregon R34 AdvanceCut chainsaw chain. This is a replacement chain for 8-inch guide bars. It has 34 drive links, a 3/8-inch low profile pitch, and a .043-inch gauge. It's designed for saws up to 42 cubic centimeters. This chain is compatible with various chainsaw models. These include Craftsman, DeWalt, Poulin, Oregon, Ryobi, Works, Black & Decker, and Troy-built. The chain features Oregon's Lubritech oiling system. This system automatically oils the chain and guide bar, reducing friction and extending their lifespan. It's a low kickback chain, designed for improved safety. The chain meets the recoil performance requirements of ANSI 175.1-2012, making it a safe choice. This chain is perfect for both yard work and occasional commercial use. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, it's durable, easy to maintain, and offers forgiving performance. What we like. This chain incorporates Oregon's Lubritech oiling system, which automatically oils the chain and guide bar, reducing friction and extending life. It also has a low kickback design for improved safety. If you like a chain that is easy to maintain and suitable for yard work, this one is ideal for you. What people say. Sharp, does the job. Fits the Craftsman chainsaw head for my multi-tool, now powered by a Ryobi 40V power head. Perfect for trimming. Fits my DeWalt pole saw. Cuts great and is less expensive than the DeWalt chain. Perfect replacement chain for my Black & Decker pole chainsaw. Sharp blades make the job so much easier. Number 2. Oregon AdvanceCut chainsaw chain, 8-inch bar. This is the Oregon AdvanceCut chainsaw chain. It's a replacement chain for 8-inch guide bars. This chain is designed for efficiency and safety. This chain fits various chainsaw models. It's compatible with brands like Makita, Ryobi, and Works. This makes it a versatile choice for many users. It features Oregon's Lubritech oiling system. This system automatically oils the chain and guide bar. This reduces friction and extends the chain's life. The chain has a low kickback design for safety. It meets the recoil performance requirements. This design improves saw safety during operation. This chain is ideal for yard work and occasional commercial use. It's suitable for professionals and homeowners. It's durable and easy to maintain. What we like. This chain also features Oregon's Lubritech oiling system, which keeps the chain and guide bar automatically oiled. It has a low kickback design for improved safety. If you are looking for a chain that fits multiple models like Makita or Works, this is the one for you. What people say. It fits my Amazon pole saw perfectly, stays on the bar, and quickly cuts through trees. I put this on my Ryobi 8 and fit well, worked great. Fit my Ryobi pole saw perfectly. Better quality than the factory chain it comes with. Number 1. 8-inch pole saw chain replacement. This 8-inch pole saw chain is designed to fit various models. It's compatible with Sun-Joe, WEN, and Cobalt pole saws. This versatility makes it a great choice for many users. Specifically, this chain is a perfect fit for Sun-Joe SWJ800E, SWJ806E, SWJ802E, and SWJ801E saws. Replacing the chain is easy, and it will have your saw working like new again. If you have a WEN 4019 or 4021 8-inch saw, this chain is also a great fit. It's a reliable replacement to keep your saw performing at its best. This chain is a great value. This chain is also compatible with Cobalt 506891, KPS 80-06, KPS 80-07, and KPS 80-08 pole saws. It is a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal cutting performance. Made with German steel and Japanese chrome-plated technology, this chain is built to last. The heating temperature control and punching system enhance its toughness and flatness. The chain is also corrosion resistant. The cutters are grinded and cold-headed with rotary machines, making them sharper than ever. All saw chain rivets are hardened and quenched, improving strength and reducing chain tension changes. It is a great choice. What we like. This chain is made with Germany steel and features Japanese chrome-plated technology for better durability. Each chain comes with protective oil to resist corrosion. If you are looking for a chain that is designed for Cobalt, Sun-Joe, or WEN pole saws, this is a great choice for you. What people say. They come very sharp from the manufacturer and they're very sturdy. I cleaned up a large oak tree and after about 2 hours of work, the blade was still going strong. The chainsaw cuts through limbs like a hot knife through butter. This saw has never cut this well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.